cute, baby. Oh, this is nice.
Mommy said you have to.
I know. Thank you.
Go.
I'm capturing. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. So today I'm actually going to record the behind the scenes of us shooting our first Christmas, shooting our Christmas pictures. Yeah, basically. Oh, the lighting is so good. The lighting is so good. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh, I love this. Anyway, so I'm recording the behind the scenes of everything. I have my brother here, Francis. He is the one taking the pictures today. I'm excited. I'm already in my Christmas sweater. Hubby's in his Christmas sweater, and also today's Hubby's birthday, so wish him in the comments section. Probably the time this video goes up, his birthday is over, but you get it. So yeah, I just want to show you the setup. Okay, so this is our setup. We have our stockings, fireplace, 2 studio lights, our Christmas tree, and then we have our gift wrapped under the tree. Basically, that's the setup. So I'm going to like shoot the behind the scenes for you guys. Let's do this. This looks very dark. No, I'll be the one holding it. Let me check the picture. So this is the picture.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's up?
What's up?
Oh yeah, something. Oh, what else is that? I thought I was the one holding it. I know. Oh no! Don't do that to your face.
Okay.
Don't put it here. What happened to our flash? Oh, it's upstairs.
Oh.
I know, for one picture.
Mommy said you have to.
I know. Oh.
Hey!
Alright. No, I like it though.
Really?
Oh, this is nice. Thank you.
Oh, well, I said it.
Oh, you gonna be cute, baby.
Money more.
I have a puffer jacket. I don't think you have a puffer jacket.
So, okay. Go.
I'm capturing. Good, you see.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. Sisters here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see.
Guys, that was the end of our Christmas photo shoot. The pictures are so cute. Thank you, Francis. It's now time to edit. But these pictures will actually need like very little to no editing, honestly. They are so cute, so cute. Come and say hi. Hey, baby. Yes, birthday boy. I know. I know. Anti-camera, that's true. Okay, so now that we are done, I need to go get ready. Actually, I'm ready. I'm just going to change my outfit into, what's my other, oh yeah, it's right here. I'm going to change my outfit into party outfit. It's now time to party. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. What's up?
Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much much about you. It's all of the people around you.